All right, anonymous caller calls in, says that red jacked up truck with a personalized license plate says little PP ran me off the road, and I think they're drunk. Officer gets behind the truck, doesn't see them violating any laws. Is the anonymous tip enough to pull them over? Well, U.S. Supreme Court in Navarrete v. California says that is enough to pull them over. Reasonable suspicion is all that's required, and the U.S. Supreme Court said that it is reasonable suspicion. It doesn't have to be that own officer's observations that an anonymous tipster is enough. Now, a lot of you would argue and say, hang on, there's some anonymous tipster rules out there, and there are. But the U.S. Supreme Court said when we're dealing with drunk drivers, it's kind of the constitutional exception. When we're dealing with drunk drivers, because of the slaughter on the roadways, we are going to allow police officers to meet that very low burden of reasonable suspicion based on the anonymous caller, since they gave facts like that specific action, that they do believe that they were intoxicated drivers, and gave identifying information so that they couldn't be confused with other vehicles on the road. So, if they call in on those very specific facts, that is enough. Now, that was a 5-4 decision, and there are different members on the Supreme Court now. So I don't know exactly how it would go if it went up to the Supreme Court now, but that is the law for now.